This video is about getting Autodesk Fusion 360 for your home computer, either a Windows PC or an Apple computer. Fusion 360 works on both platforms. You may be able to just install based on the instructions that I give you without watching this video. This video is only for you if you want to watch me install it to see it being done once. So you can follow the link from the install document up here, or you can go to this link. You'll need to create an account if you don't already have one, or sign into your account if you do already have one. So let's go to the installation document, and if I click on this link, I find myself here. So again, if you don't have an account, you'll need to create an account. Find your way back to this screen once you have your account, and then you'll sign in. You'll need to put in your credentials, and you'll find yourself here. So step 2, get access to Fusion 360. You've obtained access. Okay, so I'll click download. It says thank you for downloading, and I'm going to take this to my downloads folder, and here is the executable. It's about 11 megabytes, which is pretty small compared to what you need to download for example, Autodesk Inventor. Oh, here we go. Let's double click on the executable. And then we find ourselves here, and this is Fusion 360. It's a lot like Inventor, but with some differences, of course. Details about how to use it will be in a separate video.